Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be taking you guys for a room tour at Enjojo Lodge. This lodge is found in the Xoxo sector of Queen Elizabeth National Park. They do offer different types of accommodation, but it is a little bit more pricey than the last lodge that we were at, which is Bush Lodge. It's also a 1.5 hours drive away from Bush Lodge. Now, if you're interested in spotting the tree climbing lion, they are most popular or most seen in this sector.
That wasn't dramatic, was it?
So we got the grass thatched cottages, and each of them came with 3 beds, even though I was sharing this room only with my sister. Now, I might want to mention that they charge per night per person, which is not a concept I understand, but I digress. Each of the beds had a net over it, and on the brighter side, the rooms were very comfortable. The beds were very soft and comfortable. They had very white and comfortable linen. There was also lots of storage space and wide windows that allowed in lighting. There was also a bedside table besides each of the beds, and that also had like a storage cabin. Now, because the lodge is eco-powered, you cannot charge things that are of a high voltage. You can only charge phones and maybe camera batteries. When you walk into the bathroom, you have 2 mirrors on either side of the sinks. Now, the sinks were made of some stone-like material. I'm not quite sure what it is. There was also lots of wood and more yellowy lighting. The room also comes with water. I like hotels that do that. And then there was this wooden soap dish that had the most beautiful scented hand soap. In the corner, we had our cloth rack that came with lots of hangers. I like hotels that do that. Like, I just want options. We were also able to put our travel bags in this rack and hang out morning towels on the opposite side. You also have a toilet and a laundry basket in the corner. Everything in this room had like that African woven or wooden kind of thing.
I know what you're thinking. You're like, you have a bed, a toilet. Do you have a shower? Guys, I have an outdoor shower, like that. It's like a rainfall shower. And this morning, before the game drive, I had to take a shower. And I was like, I don't know what's popping outside. Like, it was a bit dark, so. But let me just say, this is the most relaxing experience. I don't think any animals can fit in these trees, though. Now that I see them, they have very thin branches. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like, it's a small room. Well, it's a big room with a few things, all the basics you need. Bye.